Hello students, let us have a detailed study of the rat trap. The rat trap is a story about a rat trap seller who leads a very poor life as his earnings are very low. He has to resort to thievery, means he has to take another path, that is thievery and begging to make both ends meet. He is alone in this world and leads a miserable life. So he starts knitting of various kinds of thoughts. One of these thoughts is of supposing the whole world as a big rat trap. His views are that the world offers us various types of bats. Bats means the food provided in the trap to capture the animals in the form of comforts of life. Means comforts of life is a bat in the world of rat trap. This in return traps us into the rat trap of the world and leads us to various types of miseries. Every night the peddler had to search for shelter as he has no home. One evening he was offered shelter by an old crofter. The next morning he stole the crofter's money which he had earned by selling his cow's milk. To safeguard himself, the peddler chose the path through the forest instead of the highway, which was secluded, but soon found himself trapped in the forest as he was not able to find the way out of the dense forest. So, inside the forest, he lost his way and he thought himself that he has been trapped in the forest. Later on, he finds a way to a fork and takes shelter over there. Something unusual happens. The iron master mistakes him as an old friend and invites him to his house. The poor peddler rejects the offer due to the fear of being caught. Actually, he was not that person. So, in the fear, he thought not to go. So, he rejected. Soon, he is invited by the iron master's daughter. The next morning, he is somehow stopped by the iron master's daughter for Christmas Eve, even after being caught that he was a peddler and not Captain Stelhe. The next day after Christmas, when the iron master and his daughter visit the church, they come to know that the man is a thief who had stolen money from the old crofter. So the iron master and his daughter repent for sheltering a thief and wonder at what all things he would have stolen by that time. So when they came to know about his act, both of them, the iron master and his daughter, they surprised. Then here comes a twist as instead of stealing, the peddler gives the iron master's daughter a rat trap. She finds a letter of thanks and the stolen money inside the trap. The peddler thanks Edla for her kindness and requests her to return the stolen money to the crofter. This story gives us the message that goodness in a human being can be awakened at any time with your own good deeds. Thank you very much for listening.